Can someone install something on my computer when it's not logged in? Surprisingly, the answer to this one is, well, yeah. And it all goes back to something I've been saying for years. If it's not physically secure, it's not secure. Can someone install something on my computer when it's not logged in? If your computer is not physically secure, someone could install something even if you're not logged in. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thank you to the patrons of Ask Leo for making all of this possible. askleo.com/patron for more information, including access to patron exclusive content. Question. Before I raise heck in the house, would you please answer a question? We have several computers in our home. Recently, I have seen Spy PC 7.0 Quick Start Guide in the home. I don't mind if the owner of this booklet uses it on his/her machine, but not on anyone else's. Can this be installed on other personal computers, which are usually password locked? The short answer is yes, absolutely. I think you're right to be concerned. I also think there's an important lesson here for everyone. Physical security. I want to be sure that everyone is aware of this rule of thumb. In fact, if you remember only one thing from this article, let it be this. If your computer is not physically secure, it's not secure. If someone can access your computer physically, your computer is not secure. What about passwords, I hear you asking? Password locks only go so far. You indicated that the computers are usually password locked. I'm assuming by password locked, you mean either you are not logged into the machine or a password protected screensaver is running. First, usually. If you're away from the machine for any length of time while you are logged in, the door is wide open. Anyone can walk up to your computer and do whatever they want, including downloading spyware or much worse. However, things are worse than you might imagine. Even when your computer is locked using a Windows login or screensaver password, it's still very vulnerable. Think about it. Anyone walking by your machine with a boot disk or bootable USB drive could reboot the machine by pulling the plug if necessary, boot from their disk, and get access to everything on your machine. Then, just as if you left it unlocked in the first place, that person can do anything, including installing spyware, reading your data, messing up your files, and doing whatever else they want. In a more destructive scenario, someone could remove the hard drive or even steal the entire machine. That would be obvious to you, but if you had something you thought was safe and secure on that hard disk, it could easily end up in the hands of thieves. In recent years, we've heard of hardware-based security threats. For example, so-called USB killers designed to damage any computer into which they're inserted. Anything that can be connected to your computer represents yet another layer of risk. Staying physically secure. If scenarios like this concern you, these are the steps I would consider taking. Keep the machine in a locked cabinet or room when not in use. Consider adding a BIOS password required to boot the machine in any way. This adds security, but does not prevent hard disk theft. Consider adding a hard disk password or using whole disk encryption, restricting access to the hard drive completely unless the passphrase is specified. Use encryption of some sort on your sensitive data. In your case specifically, I'd get more trustworthy roommates. For links related to this article or to leave a comment, visit askleo.com/2208. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.